Hello everyone. The next part of lesson number 21 solids is cross section and volume of water flowing per unit time. Now we need to understand what do you mean by cross section. It is the cut which is made through a solid perpendicular to its length or height is called its cross section. For cube the area of cross section will be a square. For solid cylinder it will be pi r square. ठीक है. फॉर बॉडी ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म क्रॉस सेक्शन व्हाट डू मीन बाय बॉडी ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म क्रॉस सेक्शन सपोज सॉलिड सिलेंडर है सो थ्रू आउट इट शुड बी लाइक दिस ओनली. ठीक है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड यूनिफॉर्मिलिटी. सो इन दैट केस द वॉल्यूम विल बी ऑफ एनी solid will be area of cross section into length or height. Area of cross section into length or in bracket height. Now how to calculate the surface area? Perimeter of cross section and its length. Perimeter of cross section and its length. Okay. Now the next concept is volume of water flowing per unit time. How to calculate the how much volume of the water is flowing in per unit time? It will be area of cross section into speed. I mean to say suppose this is what your pipe. ठीक है. इसका area of cross section let it be 3 centimeter square. How much? 3 centimeter square. And water is flowing through it. The speed of that water is given. मान लो 2 centimeter per second. How much? 2 centimeter per second. So 3 to the what? 6. So it will be what? 6 centimeter cube per second. 3 centimeter cube per second. So how much water is flowing in 1 second? 6 centimeter cube. Now we all know the volume of water can't be or volume of liquid can't be measured in centimeter cube. That's why we need to understand some conversions. So what are that conversions? Volume of liquid, when it comes to volume of liquid, so always remember 1 ml is 1 cc. 1 cc means 1 centimeter cube also we can write. ठीक है. So 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 1000 ml will be 1000 centimeter cube, isn't it? But we all know 1000 ml is nothing but 1 liter, and this 1000 I can write 10 raised to 3. So in short, you got the first relation that 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So when you convert liter into centimeter cube, multiply by 1000, and when you convert centimeter cube into liter, you have to divide by 1000. Now next, suppose I want it in terms of meter cube. So 1 liter is equal to, we all know 1000 centimeter cube. So इसको divide by 100 किया मैंने 3 times in order to convert into meter cube. So 3 zeros will get cancel. So it becomes 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. तो जब आप लीटर को मीटर क्यूब में करोगे तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 upon 1000 करोगे, और जब मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में करोगे तो डिवाइड बाय 1 upon 1000 करोगे. ठीक है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इन शॉर्ट 1 liter is nothing but 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 liter in terms of meter will be 1 upon 1000 meter cube. Now we'll understand the volume, how to calculate the volume for solid cylinders. I have told you earlier it will be area of cross section into what? Length. Suppose I have a tunnel with me. ये tunnel है. ठीक है. रेलवे का tunnel होता है ना, that tunnel, and it is a semicircular part. Now this is A, B. Suppose this part is C, this is D, and this is E. I want to calculate the volume of this. The length of tunnel is given 40 meter. How much meter? 40 meter. And suppose this is given 10. यहाँ तक the length of this wall is 10. The length of this wall is also 10. And the radius of this is 5. The radius of this how much? 5. So how to calculate the volume of this? पहले हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. अब एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन में स्क्वायर आ रहा है तो इसका एरिया रहेगा ए स्क्वायर, इजंट इट? दिस स्क्वायर ना बच्चों, देखो ये स्क्वायर आ रहा है तो इसका एरिया, क्रॉस सेक्शन मींस द परपेंडिकुलर पार्ट. इसके पीछे वो है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? पीछे है मतलब इट इज 40 मीटर इन लेंथ. ए स्क्वायर प्लस व्हाट, आपको ये भी कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट विल द एरिया ऑफ दिस सेमी सर्कल? इट विल बी पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. व्हाट? a square plus pi r square upon 2 into what? Into length. Length कितनी है उसकी? 40. I hope so आपको समझा how to calculate the volume. Volume is always equal to area of cross section. अब area of cross section में दो आ रहे थे, square आ रहा था और semi circle आ रहा था. That's why I've added them into what? Length. Suppose I want to calculate perimeter of the cross section. So how to calculate the perimeter of the cross section? Now suppose I want to plaster this part. So to whom I'll plaster? I'll plaster this part. So this will be what? 10 plus, I mean AB, isn't it? It will be how much? It will be what? AB. This circumference will be what? Half. So 2 pi r upon 2 plus what? D plus what? D. So this is what? Sum of all sides, sum of all part, isn't it? Into what? Into what? 40. That is length. Into what? 40. So you will get the total surface area. So how to calculate total surface area to be plastered or to be painted? It will be perimeter of cross section into what? Length. I hope so it's very clear with you. So this is the concept for the B part. The sums will be explained in your regular Zoom lectures. Thank you very much.